people, what's up? It's your girl Frida Rhymes, the one and only star chick, and you are watching Odate GHTV. Don't go nowhere. Mwah.
Hello guys, welcome back to Daily Entertainment Bars right here on Odate GHTV. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon so that anytime I drop a new content, you'll be the first to be notified. And also don't forget to also drop your comment in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends and loved ones.
That PTA meeting you're talking about, any Bima, will be any Bima. That one in sky is spreading over. Baron one child and also simply attention to and what woman may want to find about it. Baron one, get your funds. Baron one is paid 10,000. Shatter one is paid 10,000. Quest one was paid 10,000. And spray a couple of $1,000s. Oh, my, may wine a buyer. Oh, my, may wine a buyer. Wouldn't see can know your poo almost war. Wouldn't see can know your poo almost war. Oh, my, may wine a buyer. Wine a day, Sam, go with you for. Or be quite by a knock you would use. Send answer Jimmy. Who send answer Jimmy? Who send answer Jimmy? Till you do feel poor. They do what they are talking about selling their amount. As when I could buy $100, they do check. What was here? They 100, they try a moment. They say, Papa, no, mammy, I want to say to your mom. And quite Jimmy for to say, when PF mother. Well, we were always seeing that Papa that suit you, mammy, 1 year. Or no, mammy, I would to work. I'll prove what it. Can I pick my phone? Let's go. Pick my phone. And the money. Don't drop any on the phone. Most royal trousers suddenly choose them. Any dear Fenyan Samba and penny for you, dim free. Akola kitty to Sefela Makafu. 24 years when you build. Akola kitty. A Sukonoma. The Sefela Makafu. 24 years when you build. And guess what? More when you build. 80% of more. You are not productive. You are not successful. You don't have anything to do with your life. Therefore, honey, go bring my charger. Honey, go bring my charger. Mary. In my bedroom. And for like kitty to say my fellow 24 years. Wow, you people are jealous of me. 24 years. 24 years old. 24 years old. Aren't you people ashamed of yourselves? 24 years to do say now what you 24 years to say. Oh dear na ye call your papa one year. Oh papa de call your mommy 1 year. Dear now papa de call your mommy 1 year. Oh mommy besi them put your worry no. Ye mo free munsu ya nyansa ye mo free ye mo ni ato fried rice ya ma mo pie ye mo free my very me papa munsu ya nyansa ho that's a bia ma mo tiri Yes, yeah, Mobuti. Our end by first marriage. And by first marriage. Engagement, I'm a penny phone engagement. Now, why are no foods and a catering? Bars, 4 different bars. The move, which part of it was social media? Our engagement, when you're wedding. Wedding, don't be confused. It's a traditional wedding. Nyonyo foods, the topmost catering in Accra. We are wedding now. Nyonyo foods and a bay catering. And you pay buy when we for engagement, 200 people, 100 people. We had over 400 people there. Obia did no me. Obia did no me. They had 4 different bars. Or they had their cocktail bar. They had their whiskey, whatever, liquor bar. And some of them Massa, they had their piton and palm wine bar. And they no farmer me to Museo Meseo. They grilled pork, they grilled goats. Omunye dem bi mo die ni aye wo ti so nothing. Nobody wanna pay for your pussy. It's cheap like that. They are fucking you for free. You still calling Obia warrior. Now who pity any Obia kaumpe? Who bet me warrior my mimi shata where I better. Can you afford for me to attend your wedding? Can you afford it? Can you afford for me to attend your wedding? Because I won't take anything less than 10,000. Can you? Can you afford for Shatawale to be at your wedding? Can you afford for Kweswado to be at your wedding? Can you afford for Baron 1 to be at your wedding? And the other dignities, ministers, you buy a minimum with you to scale. Can you afford it? Can you afford it? When you get at 20 pesos, and then you know, so you're here for man. And here for man. Fribo Kato, Escafomea Commono to observe. No more they are people who give. Almost a year for man. Or more you do almost free. Or be what I and who don't care. Or tia sorry demo power here. Or be a walidi. It's got something to say about it. I mean, Jack, I will check and kind what it was about. You do move free, Monsieur answer. Common sense, Monsieur. Until you do free. And now we ask her baby when you need 24 years. Mr. Father McAfee, she is 24 years old. Medical is 26 years old. Madam, where did 26 years that you do? Almost share 1 year new, and that's how much in 1 decade. Obi that you do, or so was steady. Abua, that's all your coronavirus were, and was steady with your drab by Jimmy. Man, I'm cooking. Yeah, 5-1. 5-2. We have coronavirus. Go and get steady when you was a bad Jimmy for. I will get to our engagement to say, which I don't have something to say. Say, I will say, a baby, you say, a Jimmy. And no one who's Sikana. And no one who's Sikana. Yes, I'm before. Soldier for a go about probate, soldier for. Police in the yank. Soldier for a go. Okay, say the Anriana, Professor for the good. Okay, say the Anria. Wabusu emu hiano. Why be biama so de niabada? Wuni msika yo de fa so de niba ko. Ana monwene na munyusi ma bi na muchimisa. Monwene na munyusi ma bi na muchimisa. PTA ni aye bi wo ho ana. Yaye PTA ni bi ama. And what's that for? I can't want me. So baby daddy call. Or you responsible and continue to be my money. Also, I better so social media. I have Jimmy phobia. No, was some car. Jimmy phobia. Transia calculation. Chance. Lay calculation. Say, who could so the need back one ezin. So the need back over ezin. So the need you ezin. Never multiply so there's a new book. How about that more? Oh, here, and Fenya can't quasi yourself. Why did you have it and Fenya and can't quasi yourself? And Fenya and can't quasi yourself. Why? Fenya can't quasi yourself. And then my move boys now can be front boys, no. Front boys now, my own can be. And then your word. That's what Baba could pay you deep in your head. So we went to a PTA meeting. For our Baba, for our girl, and then they challenge the whole Ghana. Kalani Medical, my PTA meeting regarded. That's it. They challenge you the whole Ghana, the whole fucking Ghana. For our girl, I would deep in me. For our girl, I would deep. Naya for our girl, you deep. Financial status. My area was waiting there more than PTA no more. Yami and Ren. More cancer when you have for Manamu Jimmy. Namu Jimmy. Also, so Papa, why they want me to say Driabon, and to say the Muko Danibria. Why? Yes. Ose. Na me go to be na anya dwuma kwa me say na me say akọ wedding ni bi o na me hu ni pa wa bere sada shata say hey when you is sign no awoko hin na me say kwa me plus o ono ofo say wo party ni ye enu anywhere na me say wo o kwa ide I know they say a conk. Maybe yes. In New York, coming in and bear 7 days, something cases. What's the December? Yet, I coronavirus. Major lining and in the roof of one of it. That meant because Jackson, coronavirus in a real, Madame America. Adam Tiamu. Me when a year, men as a me more can be discussed too much. Into me quabruchira. Mrs. Pampa may save money. What I said, I'm there shopping. But coronavirus, me mean Mommy, I'm forgetting coronavirus. Remember back to PTA meeting now. If you married, I've been married for 3 times. My mommy and son. Do I have to marry? 38 years. Yes. Her first privilege. Yes. I was married for 10 years, almost. And I'm married 2 years. I'm married 6 months. And I already have a experience. What were I saying? Oh, my men, no papa, didn't hear one year. Let's all my men, no papa, and it's a severe. Almost the snap. That was your 4 bets nasty. Almost the snap, we was your 4. As will be a real year, will be all granted papa and quiet man and what you could say. Young moon year won't papa was 26 years, 24 years, near Kola. When you answer some. Well, I'm cooking in town. I just now my cooking. I can't tell. Upon Junior, my dear Biafra. When I was a Sumakajo Mutia, and I'm with me. Penny in the movie, then cook. Oh, how? And what did I didn't know? It's new one. I just saw to cook, but I want to tomatoes about. I want to. I was saying, very rich, the past, sorry, I was sober. It's one of my lawyer.
Okay guys, don't forget to drop your comments in the comment section below, subscribe to this channel and share this video with your friends. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.